Okay, real quick video here on a couple things I just picked up. Right here is a tool I got from Clark Tools in Kansas City. They have a lot of awesome stuff there. Planning on going back, seeing if they'll let me cruise the aisles with you guys. Show you what they have. Just a hammerhead for a air hammer. Really beats pounding on shit all the time. Made in the USA. Ajax Tools. A945. 1-inch diameter, 4-1 shank. That's all shanks unless you have a huge fucking air. And I do believe that cost me 10 bucks. This is something I saw at Lowe's. They had them on clearance or something for $5, $4.99. So I went ahead and picked it up. It's like the Grip-Rite stuff out there. I think I saw Grip-Rite stuff on Amazon for 20, 25 bucks, something like that, a set. Like I said, these were $5. And if you look inside there, these actually have that's metal. It's not plastic. That piece in there. A lot of people say those Grip-Tite ones, when they break, that plastic piece breaks. Well, this one is steel. It's not very thick, but it is steel. So, and I probably will be using these. I have an old 70 Chevy. Plan on working on with the daughter here over the summer. So, has the sizes on them there. They look laser etched. Oh, fuck, it all stuck. They do say cobalt on them. 0216. Sizes go from 1/4 to 11/16. I did not see a metric set there. All they had were 2 standard sets, so I grabbed one. I don't know if they still have them around or not, but $5. Can't beat it with a stick. There's the part number there. 0772438. 8-piece lifetime guarantee. Which, that is not a warranty, that's a guarantee. I think it means more in the South. You know, they guarantee. Yeah, this is steel grip. The other ones are grip on, but same thing, different name. But yeah, I will let you know how these work later on after this summer. Or maybe during this summer, hell, who knows. Later on.